Hello everyone, welcome back to the Token Minds training series. Today, we'll explore how AI can automate real-world asset management across the full life cycle, from discovery to token issuance and ongoing monitoring. This session focuses on automation at scale. We look at how AI removes operational bottlenecks in RWA management and how multi-agent systems allow institutions to scale tokenization without expanding headcount or increasing regulatory risk. When one commercial property becomes thousands of digital tokens, operational complexity grows exponentially. Revenue can be lost through mistracking. Issuance is often slow and manual. Institutions risk falling behind more agile competitors. And costs increase because manual processes do not scale with tokenized asset volume. With RWA projected to grow significantly in the coming years, JP Morgan implemented AI as a scalability layer. Data enters the system, AI extracts structured information, a compliance engine verifies requirements, smart contracts execute issuance, and dashboards update in real time. RWA management becomes a continuous, data driven process rather than a periodic manual workflow. So, first, the researcher agent continuously scans property markets, portfolios, and economic data streams. It merges structured financial database with unstructured news and reports. So, assets are ranked based on tokenization potential using predictive scoring models. Discovery shifts from quarterly reviews to continuous monitoring. So, teams focus on qualified opportunities instead of raw data. Second one is the reporter agent, which automates document intelligence. Contracts, leases, inspection reports, and tax records are parsed automatically. Key clauses and risk factors are extracted and standardized into structured outputs. Due diligence that once took weeks is reduced to hours, allowing teams to review insights rather than paperwork. The tokenization agent embeds compliance into the issuance workflow. Jurisdiction rules are verified before token issuance. KYC and AML checks are integrated directly into the process. Custody risks and investor eligibility are screened upfront. Compliance shift from periodic reviews to pre-issuance verification, reducing failures and regulatory exposure. The advisor agent provides structured decision support. AI simulations test SPVs and debt structure under stress scenarios. Risk modeling evaluates interest rate shocks, liquidity stress, and default exposure. The system generates risk-adjusted recommendations for final approval, improving decision confidence without removing human oversight. AI integrates as an intelligence layer, not a replacement. So REST APIs connect to core banking systems like Temenos and Oracle FlexCube. Agents pull data from enterprise data lakes such as Snowflake and Databricks. Compliance tools integrate with sanction databases and risk providers. Blockchain platforms manage token issuance, while dashboards provide real-time surveillance and audit readiness. The real challenge in RWA management is not blockchain itself, but the absence of AI intelligence on top of it. Without AI, platforms face verification delays, compliance bottlenecks, inconsistent pricing, and fraud risk. TokenMinds delivers end-to-end RWA tokenization powered by a multi-agent AI framework that automates discovery, document analysis, compliance, structuring simulations, and post-launch operations. So thank you for watching and see you in the next training video.